When I'm on holidays and have a bit too much spare time on my hands, I end up buying things with little thought put into it. This is one such example. I went ahead and ordered this and had it delivered the same day. It's basically the only mid-lift portable hoist in Western Australia. So this is the hydraulic unit, that is the lower lever and the electrical lift, and this is the mechanical brake lever. And that mechanical brake you can see in the middle there, that's what the lever is actuating. So it doesn't just rely on hydraulic pressure. This is the lifting eye, so you can drag it around. It is ridiculously heavy and I struggle to even move it. And here's a demonstration. I remove the mechanical lock for the lift, so it's quiet. It actually goes quite a bit higher than I was expecting. I didn't think it would go this high. I was pleasantly surprised. It's actually going to make working on the 124 very comfortable. As always, you should back it off until the mechanical lock engages. Although there's no car on there, it's not really an issue at the moment. And here's an actual lift with a car on there. I do need to get rubber blocks. This is just a temporary test. I sure as hell wouldn't be getting under the way I've rigged it up at the moment. So that basically gives complete unobstructed access to the front of the car underneath the engine and to the front half of the transmission and also the differential area. The only obstructed area, unfortunately, is the rear of the transmission. So in any case, you can see my dodgy arrangement here until I get myself some rubber blocks. Yeah, that's not safe to get under at the moment, but I wasn't going to anyway. It was just to see how high it lifted the car up. So, yeah, it's not going to help with the tail shaft removal, the center support bearing, rear of the transmission, transmission removal, that kind of thing. But certainly for general servicing of the car, it's going to make that a breeze. Unfortunately, I'm still going to need to have my jack stands and whatnot for the purposes of removing transmissions, but that's not something I do very often, fortunately. And I have plenty of roof clearance, so I'm thinking I might have actually been able to get a higher hoist. And this is the lowering. And here's a pointless tidbit of information. I've lived in my area for 12 years. I didn't even know this place existed. I've literally never been here before, and this is walking distance from my house. So if I had a dog or did any exercise whatsoever, I would know my own area a bit better than I do. I actually just thought it was a desolate hole, but my opinion has somewhat changed. I mean, it's still crap where I live, and my car is always covered with dirt, but it's good to know this is so close by.